Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you the best Streamlabs OBS settings for streaming for low-end computers. Guys, it's generally very simple to explain, but for those of you that don't know, so you go to the stream section and guys, you just need to choose the stream type. For example, it's going to be a custom, where you will have to input the custom address basically of the server and the stream key, or you can just choose a generic service, for example Twitch or YouTube. You can also choose Twitter, you can choose Facebook, whatever you desire. After that, guys, very important is to choose the proper server that's going to be the closest to you. So for example, if you live somewhere in the center of the EU, which is Europe of course, so you might want to choose either Frankfurt, Deutschland, Germany. You can use also, I would say, Oslo is very good. I would say Poland is also very good. And in general, yeah, these are servers for the EU. If you're in America, for example, you can choose New York. It's like a general cool choice. San Francisco is really good too. So basically just choose the server that's closest to you geographically. And guys, after that, let us go to the output section. And as you can see, we have streaming. So basically, if you have a low-end machine, it's very simple, guys. Firstly, of course, you need to make sure, before you even start, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you have a bad, for example, provider that doesn't provide you with a stable both download and upload speed, you will not be able to stream. So you need to make sure to get yourself as best of internet as possible, possibly fiber if you can reach that, depending on the area of course. And guys, after that you just choose the bitrate. I would recommend starting anywhere from 3000, for example. This is for the low-end machines. It's going to be a bit pixelated and stuff, but if you have a good enough internet it should be good. Up to 5000, but that's going to be a bit taxing on your resources. Also guys, never stream with the 264 encoder. This is going to be basically streaming by using the resources of your CPU, which is almost never recommended. And instead choose the hardware encoder. As you can see in my case, it's going to be H264 for AMD. I have an AMD GPU. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, use the NVENC encoder. It's the best encoder for streaming and recording at the same time. Yes, even better than AMD. And guys, that's pretty much it in terms of the other things. Of course, the very important things are going to be choosing the, in the video tab, choosing your resolution. So depending on which resolution you want to record, you need to choose that one. If, for example, you want to stream at 720p, so be sure to choose 720p at both of these fields where it says base and output, alright? And of course the FPS value. If you want to stream at 30 FPS, leave it at 30. If you have a good enough machine, maybe, even if low-end, you can try 60, but I would recommend streaming at 30 if you have a low-end machine. That's pretty much it, guys. In advanced, you can choose the video color format. I generally just recommend leaving this alone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, just quit out of here and just resize your 720 stream properly so that it doesn't leave the borders like that. Stretch it out, or just go transform, fit the screen, and you're basically done. Now you're going to record at 720p through this software. Very easy to set up. Also, you can go ahead and set up your hotkeys, of course. Start streaming, you can just bind any hotkey you want, for example F9, which I have always, something like that, and you're ready to stream, guys. Also don't forget to of course connect your account depending on which service you're going to stream on. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Like the video, see you in the next one.